Welcome! In front of me I have GARMIN Forerunner 55 and I'm gonna show you how to change the watch face on this device. First, we need to open the menu, and to open the menu on our watch, simply press and hold the up/menu button. After a second or two, the menu should pop up on the screen, and now you should see the watch face option on the screen. Make sure it's selected and then press the start/stop button to enter. And this should open the watch face menu, and here you can scroll through the list of watch faces by pressing the down and up button right here. Scroll through the list, find the watch face you like to use on your watch, select it, and then press the start/stop button. And this menu should appear on the screen. Now, to apply the watch face, make sure that the apply option is selected and press the start/stop to apply your watch face, like this. Now let's open the watch face menu again. Select different watch face, for example this one, and then press the start/stop button. And besides the apply option, we have also a couple more. We have data and accent color. Basically, we can customize the watch face. We can scroll down, select the data option, press the start/stop button, and this option allows us to basically customize the widgets on our watch face. So as you can see now, this blinking frame is here, and we can use the down and up buttons to scroll through the list of widgets we can put on our watch face. For example, the battery widget, like this. Then press the start/stop to go to the next one. We can change the different one, like this. This one. And the last one at the bottom. And once you're done, press the start/stop. And you should see the apply option again. And if you want to apply your watch face, select apply, press the start/stop. But before that, we're gonna scroll down, select the accent color, press the start/stop. And here we can change the accent color of the watch. This color right here changes, as you can see, like that. And once you're done, press the start/stop. And again, select apply to apply the watch face, like this. Okay. And that's how you change the watch face on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.